Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Saryana dengan nomor stambuk C1D320070.
My name is Yani Zaraman Sharif. I am from Journalist Study Program with student ID number C1D3200092.
My name is Adechan, STEM C1D32030, Journalism Study Program.
Baik, saya akan langsung menjelaskan tentang social distancing and work from home. Social distancing and work from home is a method of reducing the transmission of disease with the aim of completely stopping the spread of the disease by reducing contact with other people. And work from home is a work concept where employees can do their work from home. Working from home also provides flexible working for house employees. I think the implication of implementing social distancing and work from home for families or the government action choose the path of social distancing is due to the economic factor of my family decreasing, because if choose the lockdown path, then it can have impact on the aspect of reduced or no income generated by my family. Reduce or absent income from my family search if not employed. Reduce or absent income generated from my family in the file of sales goods when trading, and increasing the cost of living for my family.
What I think about the COVID-19 vaccine and whether everyone should get it or not. In my opinion, we don't need to be vaccinated because most people who have been exposed to the COVID-19 can recover without having to be vaccinated. Meanwhile, those who have not been exposed to the COVID-19 can take care of themselves by starting a healthy life. And about whether everyone should be vaccinated or not, that depends on them directly.
I want to answer the question in part number 3, and with question, give your optimistic closing statement that COVID-19 will end soon. And the answer is, I hope this COVID-19 ends soon so that we can get back to socializing, want to go have and want to get back together with friends, while maintaining personal hygiene and healthy lifestyle.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.